Alright, this is a quick video on installing a case on an iPhone 8 Plus. Mr. Mailman just came, dropped off my package. It's an OtterBox that I actually got on eBay. What's up, Finn? Finn's over there. So, what do we got here? OtterBox for a iPhone 8 Plus or 7 Plus. I'll pull it out, look at it real quick. This is the case. I've gotten one of these before. Comes with a real cheap screen cover, which we're not going to use, and one of the cleaning cloths. Just junk. It's not junk, it's just not what I want for my phone. These are two parts. If you've not used these, there's a rubber part right here that I'm taking off, and then the hard shell. So we got that. This is my old phone. I got a $3 case from Amazon. That should pop off fairly easy. Alright, we got a little neighbor kid activity, which I love. Little kids. Some motion at my front door. Got some notifications on my phone. What's up? That's my YouTube channel. So, iPhone 8 OtterBox case. We're going to keep this simple, easy peasy. First thing you do is put on the rubber interior part, I'm sorry. Shazam. And then the hard part of the case. Let's see if I can do this fairly quickly. My advice is to make sure you do it in 2 steps. It's got to kind of working on. That's it. Last step is to make sure that your charger port button is good to go, because it gets crimped up in there. That's it. Back in business. I have noticed when you first do this, you definitely want to check your charger to make sure it charges okay, because down in here, see there's a little bump right there. You want to work all that stuff out. Alright. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. iPhone 8 Plus OtterBox case installation. Thanks for watching.